If you're looking for information on the Accurants Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Accurants Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Accurants Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Running a business is hard work. Our software platform makes it easy. Access over 15 modules designed to manage finances, sales, and customer service for SMBs. Integrate with Stripe and PayPal to accept cash, debit, and credit cards for brick and mortars with the built-in POS. Access 15+ modules for managing SMBs, including invoicing, customer support, inventory management, CRM, accounting, and more. Accurants is the business management suite built for SMBs that helps you manage everything, from time tracking to payroll and more. With Accurants, you get access to over 15 modules to run your entire SMB, including time tracking, project management, expense tracking, and payroll. You can synchronize your data across modules, so you can say goodbye to manually re-entering the same data over and over again. Plus, you can ditch that MailChimp subscription. This tool lets you keep in touch with customers using the CRM and email marketing modules. With Accurants, you can create and track invoices from a single dashboard, so you always know what's been paid and what's still due. You'll be able to generate recurring weekly, monthly, or annual invoices for customers, perfect for subscription offerings. This platform can even send invoices via email so you don't have to manually reach out every time a payment is due. And you can integrate with Stripe and PayPal to let your customers pay, with the link sent straight to their inbox. Plus, Accurants lets you track sales from brick and mortar stores using the POS app, available on iOS and Android devices. The POS module integrates with the inventory module, making it easy to keep track of physical products in one fell swoop. Even better, you'll be able to collect card payments with Stripe and give your customers the flexibility to pay with credit or debit cards. Thanks to the Accurants Help Desk module, you can receive customer support tickets without relying on another monthly subscription. You'll be able to set up email notifications for support tickets that help your team stay on top of customer issues and reduce churn. These support tickets can also be exported as Excel, Word, or PDF files for internal review within your support and dev teams. Accurants is a business management suite for SMBs that offers over 15 modules to manage various aspects of your business, including time tracking, project management, expense tracking, payroll, and more. The platform allows you to synchronize data across modules and manage invoices, including generating recurring invoices and sending them via email. Accurants also offers a POS app for brick and mortar stores that integrates with the inventory module and allows you to collect card payments with Stripe. The Help Desk module enables you to receive customer support, tickets, and set up email notifications for your team. With all these tools in one place, you can run your SMB like a boss. Get lifetime access to Accurants today.